Okay, right now we making production for our wide planer and sander. Okay, this is the main panel. Okay, we have the main switch and the control panel here. The first button is the planer, barrel cutter. This is the sanding belt and the sanding pipe, and this is the brush roller, the feeding conveyor. Okay. This buttons control the table, conveyor table up and down. Emergency switch. Okay. This is a calibration meter. This is the warning signals for the machine failure. If you have failure, the signal will give warning. Okay, this is the pressure signal. This is the sanding belt breakup signal. This is for the sanding belt limit switch for left side and right side. Okay, this is the emergency switch. If the emergency is at the closed condition, will be good warning. For the emergency switch, we have one here. And another one is here. Okay. This one is a thickness limit switch. Yeah. There is the thickness limit switch. If the workpiece, the thickness is exceeded the limit, this limit switch will turn on. It will give the warning. Okay. For the thickness. Now we can check out the electric parts. For the key parts like the contactor and the timer, for the relay, we all use the Schneider brand to supply the high quality and trustable working. The frequency quarter, we use this brand, okay, from Germany. It also can supply the high quality working. Okay. Can check our the sanding system. For our machine, we produce it as a CE approval for the safety regulation. For the door open, we have the safe switch for the door open. Okay. Firstly, we make the introduction of here. This is the barrel cutter for the planing. You can check here. This is pressing foot, segment pressing foot. It can working precise whole panel or small pieces solid wood, segment. Okay. This one is a sanding ruler with a hard rubber. Okay. This is a hard rubber for the sanding ruler. This one is a sanding pipe. You can check here the sanding pipe. You can check. This is the sanding pipe. We can supply the fan sanding result. Okay. Now we making production for the sanding rulers, the height adjustment system. For this one, for all one, we use eccentric shaft adjusting system. By this one, it can supply the easy and high precision result. For the normal sanding ruler, in the market there are a lot of producer or supplier supply the sanding ruler adjustment system by the shaft and pinion adjusting system. But this one, he use a shaft here and a shaft at the other side, to connection the two sides by a shaft, By this system, the adjusting result after long years, it cannot supply a very high precision adjusting result. By the eccentric shaft, it is very easy to adjust the sanding ruler a little higher or lower. It's very easy. Okay, loosen this knob, and we can adjust here. You see, it's very easy to adjust higher or lower. You can see this indicator. It's very easy. After adjustment, you just lock the bottom knob. It will be okay. It's very easy. Okay, now we can check the bottom. The bottom, the chain is to adjust the height for the table, for the conveyor table. We use two chains, By our machine, we use two chains to supply the strong lifting strength up and down. For some users, they just use one chain, okay? Now it's two chains. Okay, come here. This is a brush roller. After sanding, by the brush roller to remove the sanding dust from the panel, from the box. Okay. Another important part is the gearbox. For our machine, we use a high quality gearbox. Inside is by the gear, okay. The speed control is by the frequency. We can change the speed steply just by a knob. You can check here. We can just adjust the feeding conveyor speed by the knob. It is easy. Okay, this is controlled by the frequency inverter. Okay, it can supply easy and fast adjustment. We also take another one for showing to make a comparison. This is another gearbox. This one is by manual. You can mechanic to change the speed. This one, the quality is lower than that one. Okay. So for all of our exporting machines, we all use this strong one to supply a good working result. Okay. All have the door open switch. Okay. And now we will make an introduction for the sanding belt oscillation function. Okay, this is the air cylinder. Okay, when the machine working, it can push the sanding roller move front and back. So the sanding belt will traveling on the top sanding roller to do the oscillation. Okay. We can adjust the oscillation result by this handle, loosen the locking handle, and adjust the knob to adjust a little work. Okay. Also, you can check here. For the sanding belt, we have the sensor. to control the sanding belt not exceeded the sensor. Okay. Now we will check the main motors for the sanding roller. All the motors have the brake. Okay. When happen emergency, we just press the emergency stop switch. The brake will work to stop the motor fast. Right now we finished the introduction for the machine. Later we will make an introduction for the sanding belt installation and sanding operation.